Everyone, I'm Malak Azmi, and today we're going to talk about a part of syntax which is constituency analysis. Let's start. First of all, what's constituency? Sentences are not just linear strings of words, not just one word after another, but sentences have an internal structure. Words form groups, and these groups of words can form larger groups. These grouping of words are called constituency. If you have a simple example like the girl read the book, this sentence contains a number of smaller constituents. First, the girl itself is a constituent. Then, the book is another constituent. And read the book, it turns out that it is a constituent too. But it seems that there is no constituent which consists of the girl read and nothing else. There is a constituent that contains those, but it's the whole sentence. So, some words within the sentence form constituents. Some of these constituents combine into a larger one, and some words do not form constituents. So, constituency analysis is a technique designed to show how small constituents go together to form larger constituents. Constituency analysis is then branched into several tests, which are substitution test, movement test, coordination test, and question information. So, number one, if the sequence that you are looking at can be replaced by a single word, so it's a constituent. And this test is called substitution test. Now we're looking at how we can diagnose constituency starting with that test. For example, if we have a simple sentence like John saw the boy who fed the cats. The boy who fed the cats, we could replace that sequence with the pronoun him, so the sentence will be John saw him. The replacement is done successfully, so the sequence is a constituent. We notice also that we can say John saw the girl who fed them. So them is replacing the cats and the girl is replacing the boy. So the boy and the cats also is a constituent. Number two, movement of a sequence from a part of the sentence to another is again another test of constituency. If you try to take a sequence of words and move it somewhere else in the sentence, if it succeeds and you can move a sequence of words by such a displacement operation, that's a very good evidence that it's a constituent. One movement operation that English uses has been called topicalization. So, this is where we take a constituent and move it to the beginning of the sentence. For example, if we have a sentence like, I've read many novels, but I've never read this book. This sentence will be, I have read many novels, but this book I've never read. As you can see, we moved this book to the beginning of the sentence. In order to contrast it with something that's already said, which is many novels, I moved it to the beginning of the sentence. So that operation, we call it topicalization. We have another type of movement test, which is it cleft. For example, we have a sentence like, the boy found the ball. Now you want to know whether the boy is a constituent or not. The way the it cleft functions is, we use the word it plus the conjugated form of verb to be, and you need also WH word, or you can put that. And you will generate a new sentence like, it was the boy who found the ball. Does this sentence sound grammatically correct? Yes, it does. Therefore, the boy which had been clefted is a constituent. And I can run the test for the ball. The boy found the ball, and it will be, it was the ball that the boy found. And the ball also is a constituent. And those are my references.
And thank you.